Welcome to Lesson 5, Eternal Youth and Wise Elder. This is a newer conceptual image for me, but it's growing on me. Growing up, I was often referred to as being an old soul, but that didn't seem to be a compliment to me growing up. We live in a time, a generation that highly prizes youth. We're looking for that eternal youth aspect, as it were. And to get older, to be elder is not something that has a lot of honor in our society. When we go to movies, we do have the Gandalfs, Morpheus, Miss Miyagi type figures that can be honored in movies. But more often than not, when we view those movies, we want to be the hero. We want that eternal youth, that person who's coming through and offering strength. I think there's a place for that, but I'm seeing these more flip sides of the same coin now. There's a place for that eternal youth, and there's a place for the wise elder within us at the same time. One of the many paradoxes of life. And so youthful strength, when we're young, we're brimming with life and creative potential. There's a daring courage and relentless passion that we bring to life. And so we're always on the go, ready to offer ourselves. We don't need much time to recover. We can try ourselves time and time again, showing up to meet the demands of life. Historians tell us that many revolutions are started by the younger generation who have that passion, that energy, that desire for change, for something to be different. And so they're ready to tackle life full speed ahead. In contrast to this is the image of age wisdom. Individuals who are able to sit back and see more holistically. Who are able to deal with the mysteries and paradoxes of life. Who are not looking for simple, easy answers, but know how to deal with the complexity of life without making life more complicated than what's necessary. There's a settledness to these individuals. A maturity that has nothing left to prove, with the young always trying to prove themselves. With the age, they know who they are, and so they can rest in that settled maturity. But again, I think these are flip sides of the same coin. Where we need that youthful energy, that vitality to make things happen, to offer our strength in life. But we also need that holistic wisdom to know how to apply our strength well. With that settled sense of maturity of knowing who we are. The writer of Proverbs puts it this way: the glory of young men is their strength, but the splendor of old men is their gray hair. I used to think of this as linear, that there's a time to be young and enjoy your strength, and then there's time to be old and enjoy the splendor and age wisdom that comes with that. And while that's true, again, I'm seeing this now as flip sides of the same coin. That even in our youth, we can pursue godly wisdom. We can pursue that holistic view of life, and not just pursuing life full force ahead, absent of wisdom. But even as we grow older, we can still seek that youthful vitality, that ability to make impact and a difference. Obviously, it looks different the older we get, but we don't lose that inner vitality just because we grow older. That we have that wisdom and that youthful vitality that work hand in hand together. And so it's both eternal youth and age wisdom.